Have you ever wondered why businesses in Canada seem to face unique challenges when it comes to receiving payments efficiently? If you're a small business owner, chances are you've heard of QuickBooks Payments, a tool designed to streamline invoicing and payment collection. But the big question is, are QuickBooks Payments truly equipped to meet the needs of Canadian businesses? Let's dive into the details and uncover the truth about this service. What exactly are QuickBooks Payments? QuickBooks Payments is a feature integrated within QuickBooks Online that allows businesses to accept payments directly from their invoices. Customers can pay using credit cards, Apple Pay, or bank transfers, depending on the options enabled. The promise is simple: faster payments, easier bookkeeping, and fewer trips to the bank. But does this promise hold true for Canadian users? What payment methods are supported in Canada? For Canadian businesses using QuickBooks Payments, the supported payment methods include credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover; Apple Pay, as a housing application for credit card transactions; bank payments, customers can pay directly from their bank accounts. However, there are notable limitations. Debit card payments and e-transfers are not supported. This lack of support for popular payment methods like Interac e-transfers has been a point of frustration for many Canadian users. Additionally, payments must be processed in Canadian dollars. Foreign currencies like USD are not accepted unless you use third-party integrations. The multi-currency dilemma. If you're dealing with international customers or vendors, multi-currency functionality becomes critical. While QuickBooks Online supports multi-currency for invoicing, QuickBooks Payments in Canada is restricted to CAD transactions. This means even if you invoice a US-based customer in USD, they must pay using a card that supports CAD payments. For businesses with significant cross-border operations, this limitation often necessitates turning to third-party payment processors. Why no e-transfers or ACH options? One of the biggest questions Canadian users have is why QuickBooks Payments doesn't support e-transfers or ACH transactions. These methods are widely used in Canada for their convenience and lower fees compared to credit cards. The answer lies in business priorities. Credit card transactions generate higher processing fees for Intuit compared to other methods. While users have been requesting these features for years, there's no indication that they will be added anytime soon. The cost of convenience. QuickBooks Payments markets itself as a tool that helps businesses get paid faster, up to 4x faster than traditional invoicing methods. But this convenience comes at a cost. Processing fees. Credit card transactions incur fees of around 3%, which can add up quickly for small businesses. Bank transfer fees. These are typically lower at 1%, but still represent an additional expense. For many small businesses operating on tight margins, these fees can feel prohibitive. The lack of alternative payment options like debit cards or e-transfers further compounds this issue. Customer feedback, a mixed bag. Canadian users have voiced mixed opinions about QuickBooks Payments. Positive experiences. Many appreciate the seamless integration with QuickBooks Online. Automated matching of payments to invoices simplifies bookkeeping. Faster access to funds compared to traditional methods. Frustrations. The absence of e-transfer and ACH options. High processing fees for credit card transactions. Limited support for foreign currencies and debit cards. Some users have even expressed disappointment over the lack of innovation for Canadian businesses compared to their US counterparts. For example, ACH support has been available in the US since 2017, but remains absent in Canada. Alternatives for Canadian businesses. If QuickBooks Payments doesn't meet your needs, there are alternatives worth exploring. Third-party payment processors. Tools like Stripe or PayPal offer broader payment options, including multi-currency support and lower fees for certain transactions. Bank-specific solutions. Many Canadian banks offer integrated payment solutions tailored to local needs. Apps integrated with QuickBooks. The Apps tab in QuickBooks Online provides access to third-party tools that can enhance your payment capabilities. These alternatives often provide greater flexibility and cost savings compared to QuickBooks Payments. Is it worth it? So, should Canadian businesses use QuickBooks Payments? The answer depends on your specific needs. If you primarily deal with domestic customers who prefer paying by credit card or bank transfer, QuickBooks Payments could be a convenient solution despite its fees. If you rely heavily on e-transfers or serve international clients requiring multi-currency support, you may find its limitations frustrating and costly. Ultimately, while QuickBooks Payments offers some benefits like automation and integration, its restricted payment options and high fees make it less appealing for many Canadian businesses. What's next for QuickBooks Payments in Canada? Will Intuit address these concerns and expand its offerings in Canada? While there's no official timeline for adding features like e-transfers or ACH payments, user feedback continues to play a crucial role. If enough voices advocate for change through the feedback tool within QuickBooks Online, it's possible that future updates could better align with Canadian business needs. And there you have it, the full picture of QuickBooks Payments in Canada. Whether you're considering this service or already using it, knowing its strengths and weaknesses can help you make informed decisions about your payment processing strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.